Hello everybody, this is Umar from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we will be talking about how to disable Face ID on Gcash or how to turn off face verification on Gcash in general. So now before we dive into the video, I would like to take a moment to tell you about the link in the description using which you can now support our channel. So if you feel like our channel is providing you guys value, it is finally time to donate to us, as it is going to be supporting us a lot. So basically how to disable Face ID on Gcash. So they have introduced the Face ID because a lot of incidents in past have been happened with multiple users where the data was being misused, stolen, and taken advantage of. So they just introduced this face verification feature, which was from your Gcash account. If you head it over to your profile, which is by the way the bottom of your screen, and in the settings you can see you will have a biometrics option. So you can see in here you have this biometrics, and from there you can simply enable or disable your Gcash face verification. So make sure you head over to that, and it is completely not advised to do that, since it is going to be making your account much more vulnerable to hackers and crackers. So it is recommended to enable Face ID, but in case maybe for any reason, if you want to just simply turn it off, it is totally up to you. So yeah, that is the process. Simply head over to your settings and biometrics, and from there you can simply turn it off. So I hope this helped. If it did so, make sure to subscribe to our channel as well. Head over to the link in the description of this video to donate to our channel, as well as it is going to be a big support for us, guys. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one.